Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's morning yoga class. It's just going to be a really easy, gentle way to start your morning so that we can feel refreshed and energized for the rest of the day. Before we start, I want to share some exciting news that coming January 1st, I am releasing a 30-day yoga connection series. This is a way to commit to 30 days of new intentions and also a way to go a little bit deeper into your practice as well as yourself. We'll be releasing more information through that on our newsletter, so you can subscribe and sign up for that at yogatx.org. But for now, let's get started and start our day. Coming to hands and knees, tabletop pose. Placing the hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Inhale, dropping the heart, opening into cow pose. Exhale, rounding the back, pushing the heart towards the ceiling. Cat pose. Inhale, opening into cow. Exhale, rounding the back for cat. One more time like this. Inhale, opening the heart. And exhale, rounding the back. Tucking the toes under, lifting the knees off the ground just about an inch, so as though you could almost just slide a piece of paper underneath the knees between the floor. And continue the breath here. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. We've got this. One more breath here. Inhaling and exhaling, pushing the hips high, coming to downward facing dog. Pedaling out the feet here, bending into one knee and then the other, shifting the hips side to side. Again, just slowly waking up the body. Walking the feet towards the top of the mat and coming towards a forward fold. Pretty deep bend in the knees here, grabbing opposite elbows and swaying side to side. Placing the hands down, deep bend in the knees, slowly rolling up to standing, one vertebra at a time. When you arrive, rolling the shoulders up and down the back. Repeating that with the arms, so raising the arms up, and then exhale, releasing the arms down by the sides, palms facing forward, possibly closing the eyes, and coming to Tadasana. Grounding down through the feet. Continuing a slow breath and possibly setting an intention of how you want to show up for your day. How do you want to feel and how can your actions show that? On your next inhale, blinking the eyes open, palms come to touch. And saluting the sun together, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, placing the hands down, stepping back to plank, inhaling here. And exhale, dropping the knees and then the chest onto the floor. Pushing through the tops of the feet, inhale, opening into cobra pose. And exhale, release. Repeating that again without the hands, so really using the strength of the lower back, still pushing through the tops of the feet. And exhale, release. This time opening into cobra again, or upward facing dog, where we push into the hands and feet, the knees and hips raise, shoulders relax. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step or hop towards the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, folding. Bending through the knees, inhale, raising the arms up, palms come to touch. And exhale, hands come to heart center, remembering that intention we set. Inhale, raising the arms again. And exhale, moving right into our forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, placing the hands down, stepping back to plank. Inhaling here. Exhale, lowering with or without the knees all the way down or halfway. Inhaling into cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step or hop towards the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. bending through the knees. Inhale, raising the arms up. One last round of that, a little bit faster. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, stepping back to plank, moving right into your lowering. Inhale into cobra or upward facing dog. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Raising the right leg up on the inhale. Exhale, stepping the right foot forward, placing the left knee down. Walking the foot out to the edge of the mat, both hands come inside of the left foot for lizard pose. You can leave the hands where they are, maybe coming down onto forearms. Sometimes I do this and I get on my forearms and I'm like, nope, let me come back up, and that's okay. Just breathing wherever you are. Gently stretching into that left hip, allowing the right knee to open. Untucking the back toes, raising the back knee, and walking that right foot back to center. Right hand rises while the left hand stays low for a gentle twist. Placing the right hand back down on the floor. Stepping back to downward facing dog or three-legged dog. And placing that right foot down. Raising the left leg up on the inhale. And exhale, stepping that left foot between the hands, placing that right knee down, and then slowly walking your left foot over towards the left side of the mat. Release into your stretch. Again, hands can be on the ground. Maybe you come onto forearms. Wherever you are, connecting again to how you want to show up today. Oftentimes, it just takes a positive attitude to have a great day. Walking that left foot back to center, the left hand comes outside of the left foot, raising the right knee off the ground. The left arm reaches towards the ceiling. Placing the left hand back down, stepping back, three-legged dog or downward facing dog. Placing the foot back down on the ground. Opening the knees wide, sitting the hips back for child's pose. Deep breath here, inhaling. And exhaling, let it go. One more time like that, inhaling. Let something else go. Slowly coming up onto the knees. Letting the hips fall to either side. We'll come to a comfortable seat to close class. A nice breathing technique that I love to start my day with is Nadi Shodhana breathing. So we'll bring the pointer finger and middle finger to the forehead, and we'll be using the thumb and the ring finger to close the nostrils. So closing the right nostril with the thumb, inhale through the left. Closing the right nostril with the ring finger. Exhale, opening the right. Now inhaling through the right. Closing the right nostril with the thumb. And exhaling out the left. Inhaling through the left. Closing the left nostril with the ring finger. And exhaling out the right. Inhaling through the right. Closing the right nostril with the thumb and exhaling out the left. Last time, inhaling through the left. Closing the left nostril with the ring finger and exhaling out the right. Inhaling through the right. Closing the right nostril with the thumb and exhaling out the left. Releasing the right hand down. And taking 1 to 2 breaths here. Bringing the hands together in front of the heart. Thanking yourself for a moment of self-care before you start your day.
And promising to hold on to that intention throughout your day, no matter what comes up. Always know that the light and love within me is so honored and proud to witness the loving light within you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing this morning. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And just a reminder, you can sign up for the newsletter for Yoga Connection so that you can get on the emailing list and find out all the things that are happening. And also a fun reminder that Yoga Vida is a yoga community that we've started here. It's a way to watch yoga videos interruption-free, as well as connect with other wellness practices outside of yoga. So again, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the mat soon.